There are multiple benefits for a business owner to learn how to enable Apple Pay in Shopify payments. One of the first reasons I consider having this option is that it gives you a more easy kind of process, easy checkout process. If I can express myself this way, people are gonna have easy time if they see that you have Apple Pay option in your processing. Because their billing and the shipping information is pre-filled, allowing them to complete the purchase in just a tab, fingerprint scan. So it's more convenient. That's what I'm referring to. They're really convenient for them to do that, and the customers are less likely to abandon their cars during checkout if the process is quick and easy. So your goal is to make the process easy and quick. It's very important. Please remember this. If you have to remember one of this, it's just this one. It's more important than anything else. So now what we have to do is to go to settings here, and here in settings we have payments, right? And here, of course, if this is just a texting account, you should complete your account setup. Then we can go to manage here, and then here we can check Apple Pay. I already checked this. I already have selected this Apple Pay, and then you just have to click on save. From here you can also add Google Pay, Shop Pay. You can uncheck one of these cards. Shopify payments allowed to store to accept all major credit cards, but you can check some of them. You can see rates, and here you can also customize the payout schedule and automatically decline charges. Here another option, fraud prevention, and yeah, make sure you can also enable Amazon Pay, but you just have to complete your Shopify payment setup, which probably already have to. You already completed your setup. Now this also will help with, like, when you offering a Apple Pay, this is going to expand your reach. So more or larger populations of Apple users, they rely on their mobile wallet for purchases. So this can potentially attract new customers who prefer this method, this payment method. Okay, so that's another reason I'm giving you right now. I hope you found this helpful, guys. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.